Let us discuss on drawbacks of Newton. Famous Sir Isaac Newton put the theory on gravity, which was the best theory on last century. But nowadays we are in 21st century with lots of discoveries of gravity energies. Without delaying any time, let's be in a point. Let's discuss about the Newton's second law of motion and drawbacks of it. Famous scientist Sir Isaac Newton put the theory on gravity, which was the best theory on last centuries. But nowadays we are in 21st century with lots of discoveries. Newton told that about the force which was the best discoveries on that day, on that centuries. He stated that force is equal to mass into acceleration due to gravity. But nowadays we are in 21st century with lots of discoveries in the field of physics. Newton proposed that force is equal to mass into acceleration due to gravity. Well, this is not universally right also. Yes, scientists proposed that force is equal to mass into acceleration due to gravity. Well, this is not wrong, but universally not right also. But the proposed law is not followed by the quanta also. As we all know that the light is electromagnetic wave and travel in a straight line with a constant speed. Suppose this is a quanta. This is a quanta. Suppose this is a quanta and always travel in a straight line. ठीक छ ल भन्छ है त फेरि Is there any force to affect the quanta of light? Well, there is a force to affect the quanta. Well, there is a superficial force to affect the quanta of light, that is gravity.
Well, according to Newton, gravity is the force that pulls each and every object towards the center of the earth. That means this is earth and each and every object is pulled towards the center of the earth. The same case is applied to the universe. This is our sun, Mercury, Venus, Earth, and so on. And the revolution of the planet around the sun is only possible due to gravitational pull. According to Newton, F equals ma. Then does this mean that the object which doesn't have mass, like a photon, 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 is not affected by any force? But the thing is that gravity affects the photon. But how? But how? Let us take an example. The star. Let us take an example. This is sun, and this is our earth. The star just behind the sun is appeared at the side of the sun from the earth. This is a wonderful example of the fact that tells us that the gravity affects light. If the gravity had not affected the light, then the star behind the sun would not have been appeared at the side of the sun. Let's take another example. Let's take another example of our universe or our solar system. SOLAR, solar system. SISTEM, system. Solar system simply refers to the collective group of different planets, heavenly bodies, and other different kinds of matters, etc. Here is our sun, and in the either side of sun, Mercury, then Venus, then our Earth, and here is a Saturn. This is a Saturn. The revolution period of Mercury is respectively less, and the Venus is a little bit more than Mercury. Then it goes on increasing order. It means that the revolution period of Mercury is very less than that of Saturn. Yes, this is right. The revolution period of Mercury is only 88 days but the revolution period of Saturn is 29.2 years. Now, according to Newton, the force that adjusts these planets in a revolution is gravity, 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 or the gravitational pull of the sun. If it was the gravitational pull of the sun, then using common sense, we can surely tell that the gravitational pull for the Mercury, Venus, Earth, and the Saturn all would be same. It is same. But why the revolution period differ? Now let's go detailedly. Detailedly. Act that make the Mercury revolve faster than the Saturn is not of the gravity, Gravity, not due to gravity. It is all due to space, time. From this example also, we can surely tell that the Newton had some drawbacks in its law. We have presented some example about the drawbacks of the Newton in his equation. Now, concluding this part, I would like to make sure that we will be presenting our new ideas and some information about SPSC space time in our next topic. Thanks. प्लिज हाम्रो च्यानललाई लाइक सब्स्क्राइब कमेन्ट अनि शेयर गरिदिनु होला। हजुरहरूको मायाले गर्दाखेरि नै हामी पछि गएर साइन्स र टेक्नोलोजीको नयाँ दुनियाँमा अझै अघि बढ्न सक्छौँ। हामी अहिले सानै भए पनि पछि हामी नेपाललाई विश्व सामु चिनाउन सक्छौँ। त्यसकारणले हाम्रो च्यानललाई प्लिज सब्स्क्राइब गरिदिनु होला। धन्यवाद।